So it's 6, so we've got 1, 6. Actually, I don't need that much room for the 1. 6. What's after 6? 15. 20. 15. 6. 1. Okay. And a plus in front of each of these. Plus. Okay. Now, let's put in those 2x's. 2x to the 6. 2x to the 5. 2x to the 4. 2x to the 3. 2x to the 2. 2x to the 1. And then nothing. I know already that I'm going to need more room in there. Okay, in another colour, I'm going to do my x to the minus 2's. So, x to the minus 2, x to the minus 2 squared, x to the minus 2 cubed, x to the minus 2 to the 4, x to the minus 2 to the 5, x to the minus 2 to the 6. Now let's start expanding things. 1 times 2 to the 6, x to the 6, so that's 1 times 32 x to the 6 plus 6 times 32 x to the 5 times x to the minus 2 plus 15 times 16x to the 4 times x to the minus 4, because remember it's in a bracket, so minus 2 times 2, minus 4, plus 20 times 8x to the 3 times x to the minus 6 plus 15 times 4x squared times x to the minus 8. This was plus in the question, yep. Plus 6 times 2x times x to the minus 6. No, 10. Sorry, I can't read my own writing. Plus 1 times x to the minus 12. Okay. Now let's work on this from the left. So that's just 32x to the 6. 6 times 32 times 32, sorry, 192 x to the, now let's have a look, 5 minus 2, 5 plus negative 2, 3, plus 15 times 16, 240. Again, let's have a look. X to the 4, x to the minus 4. There's no x. Because it's, 4 plus negative 4 is 0. X to 0, 1. 240 times 1, 240. It disappears. 20 times 8 is 160. X to the 3 and negative 6. Negative 3. Plus 15 times 4, 60. X to the 2 and negative 8, negative 6, plus 12x to the negative 9, plus x to the negative 12. Okay, so for question A, they wanted the term independent of x. This means the constant. No x. Which term in here had no x? This 240. Excellent. For question B, the term in x to the 3. Well, let's go through, let's look. X to the minus 3, sorry. X to the, I want this in blue, sorry. X to the minus 3, well that's 160 x to the minus 3. So once we did that expansion, the other questions were fairly simple.